welcome back to Oyeyindoke's Kitchen. I want to thank all of you for always coming back to watch my videos. And guess what, guys? It's day 4 of my vlogmas. I'm so excited about this season. So today I'll be bringing you guys simple recipe how you're going to transform your plain baguette to delicious baguette. So let's get into the recipe, and I do thank you guys for watching. So guys, these are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. You can see our plain baguette, okay? And I have some cheese, I have parsley leaves, I have black pepper and salt, and some crushed pepper, butter, and I have garlic. So we are going to transform this bread, and it's going to turn out to be a delicious one. I do thank all of you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright, so guys, what we are doing here is to cut our parsley leaves. I just took them off from the stem. We're gonna give them a very, very fine cut. Guys, we're going to get our garlic ready for roasting. So a little olive oil, a pinch of salt, just a little salt, some black pepper, some chili powder. Then you wrap it and roast in the oven for 30 minutes. Alright, so guys, our garlic is out of the oven. So now we are going to get our mixture ready. So we have our butter here. I kind of melted it in the microwave. So now we are going to get our garlic all out. The butter, so I'm gonna add a little crushed pepper, just a little crushed pepper, and I'm going to add some black pepper as well, just a little as well. We're going to blend our mix to get a very good mix, and we're going to be using blender. Alright, so guys, we now have our blended roasted garlic with the pepper. So we are not going to be adding our parsley leaves. Yeah, remember we slice them very thinly. You add enough parsley leaf as you desire, and then you're going to mix the two together. So guys, this is our baguette, you can see. So we're going to cut it into two, just a dry bread, dry, bland, and I'm gonna cut it as well into two, so you make it. We're gonna get the other one cut as well, and we'll be ready to roll. Alright guys, so we are ready to roll. We get our mix here. You could use a spoon to spread it if you want, but let's see if I can smoothen it out. Yeah, so if you like garlic bread and you don't want to make it from the scratch, just buy the baguette from the store and then come home, mix the few ingredients, and you get a delicious baguette. We have our parchment paper here. We'll line our pan. Then we are going to place our bread right into the pan. So the next thing will be to get cheese. We are using mozzarella cheese. Just sprinkle it on top nicely. On top as well. If you're a cheese lover, just make sure you put enough. I'm gonna leave this one like this because one of my kids is not a fan of cheese, so and she loves to eat baguette. So guys, this is another way to transform your baguette to something delicious. If you like baguette, if you like garlic bread, this is a good way to get the two of them together in one recipe. These are simple recipes that will not break the bank, while you have something gourmet and something delicious in your home to eat. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and we'll bake until everything is melted, then we bring them out. All right guys, so you can see our bread now. This is garlic bread, so I'm gonna slice them and then have a good taste, okay? I cut them into, sizes. Try this recipe, you're going to love it. If you're a fan of garlic bread, you're definitely going to love it. I'm gonna have a taste as well. Trust your yo-yo. I love to taste. So guys, this will really wow your guests for Christmas. The simple things that you can add to your Christmas menu. These are the simple things you can add to your Christmas menu and you will not regret it. While your guests are waiting for the main course, they can start by nibbling some of the, bread. And the cheese really made it so yummy. Okay guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you guys. Keep the time with me, 9 a.m. US time for another Vlogmas, and I do thank you for watching.